This tiny little thing can hold up to 4 memory cards of your DSLR. You just easily twist it and it will open up. There are 8 memory card slots. You can store up to this type of memory card, up to 4 memory cards. Here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. After you place all the memory cards together, just twist to close it, and you don't have to worry about your memory cards again. You're not gonna lose them. If we talk about the design part, this is really cute and minimal design. Now share this video to your photographer friend to make their life easier.